Hey guys, so this is another unenveloping video. I'm gonna do like a whole run through. Well, I only have one left. But this is going to be a Baekhyun for the card. So, let's get started. And I will link all the sellers' information, everything at the bottom in the description box as usual. Oh, there it is. Oh, one more. Okay, so she said, "Thank you for buying from me. I hope bacon reaches you fast." And oh, should put another one. Another seal up here. There he is. Isn't he so cute? Aww. And this is the Love Me Right photo card. It's the... I don't even know which version it is. I think it's the Korean version. I don't even know. Or the white version. Whatever we want to call this. But yeah, if you tell by the title, I'll figure it out by then. But yeah. So I'm still missing the other version. So if you guys know which other version I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm still missing the other Baekhyun version from their Love Me Right album. I cannot talk today. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and if any of you guys are selling the other version for like $10 around there, that would be great. I'm located in the United States, so I'm just putting that out there. Thank you all for watching this, and subscribe to my channel for more of these short videos. And give me a thumbs up. Thank you.